Collaboration ride nga pala to ng Motor Republic Vespa Club at saka Vespa Club of Pasig. Okay, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa Moto Market Libis. Currently, 6:15 na. So, yung meetup natin ng mga Vespa Club ng Motor Republic tsaka Vespa Club Pasig, 6:30. So, by mga 7 a.m., diretso na kami. Ang punta natin ngayon ay sa Cristina Villas, sa isang resort to sa may Antipolo. Katabi to nung famous na Hinulugan Taktak. Collaboration ride nga pala to ng Motor Republic Vespa Club at saka Vespa Club of Pasig. So yun, 7 a.m. pag nagdatingan na sila, kasi first to arrive ako, pag nagdatingan na, mga 7, ride out na tayo papunta ng Cristina Villas. Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung best seller ng Cristina Villas Cafe. So, sama kayo.
Hi guys, good morning! Another Sunday ride under sa Vespa Club ng Motor Republic. Today, si Derek Carmona ulit ang ride director natin, tsaka si Bob. Naalala niyo last time nung nag-meet up kami dito para mag-ride papuntang Tipolo, umuulan nun. So from almost 20 plus riders, parang naiwan na lang sa akin, mga 10 na lang, ilan na lang kami, di ba? So today, since maganda yung weather, so ayan, kita nyo naman, right now, nasa 30 plus na kami and parating pa yung mga ibang riders. I think aabot kami ng mga 40 riders today. Guys, today papunta tayo Antipolo. Doon tayo papunta sa Cristina Villas. So today, ang pupuntahan natin Cristina Villas, resort ito na mana pa yata nila to from yung sa lola nila. So guys, sa mga naghahanap ng mga destination, saka mga masasarap na food, kailangan ninyo panoorin itong episode natin na to. Malay nyo, isa to sa mga mapili nyong next na destination sa ride ninyo. So ayan na guys, mukhang oras na mag-ride out. So magbi-briefing na kami muna bago mag-ride out. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Hi, good morning! I'm Bawi from Kikays Elite. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Moto Market Libis. Kasama ko ang mga Kikays, sina Tracy, Daisy, and Kiara. So today, pupunta kami sa Antipolo sa Villa Cristina. Samahan niyo kami!
Boys, setting muna tayo.
Welcome, Motor Republic sa Cafe Cristina. Thank you po sa pag-feature.
Good morning. Medyo matarik pero finally nandito na tayo sa Cristina Villas Mountain Resort dito sa Antipolo. Okay naman yung parking natin, maluwag. So safe na safe yung mga Vespa at mga motor natin. So nandito na tayo sa cafe nila. Tignan natin kung masarap yung breakfast. Sama kayo.
Ang Cafe Cristina, siya yung restaurant dito sa loob ng Cristina Villas. Itong Cafe Cristina, siya yung nagsaserve na rin ng mga naka-check-in ng mga guests dito sa Villa Cristina. So guys, with me here is Doc JP. He's one of the owners nitong
Hi.
Villa Cristina. So Doc,
Yeah.
kailan nag-start ang Cristina Villa?
Actually, Cristina Villas was founded by my late lolo, my Felix B. Marinas.
Okay.
We call him our Tatang Eleng. He's actually a real estate developer. No? He's one of the pioneer developers here in Antipolo.
Okay.
And through the help of the family, we've been able to establish this resort. Actually, this is one of the first resorts here in Antipolo. It goes way back from the 80s pa, no? So a little more than 40 years na din siguro yung Cristina Villas. No? It has undergone a lot of changes through the help of the management, my family, my uncle. It's still run by the family. All our viewers are welcome here.
Okay. So, Doc, itong villa na to, bakit mo naisip na ipangalan na Cristina?
Alright, so that's a very good question. No? Cristina is actually the name of my grandmother, the wife of my lolo. So, Cristina Marinas. Yeah, we owe a lot to our lola. That's why we try to honor her also by doing charity activities through her name. No? And if you want to have a look at my lola, they are actually here, no?
Ayun!
They have a statue here.
So guys, ayan that's para ma-remember si Lolo at Lola. So nandito pala yung statue ng Lolo at Lola.
We call her Inang Tinay.
Okay,
Si
Inang Tinay.
And our Tatang Eleng.
Tatang Eleng.
Tatang Eleng. So, they are, through their hardship and love for their family and actually passion for Antipolo, no? Because all their efforts were really through the upliftment in the lives of people here in Antipolo. No? So, I up to now, I still take inspiration and from their hard work. That's also the reason. No? I'm a practicing physician. I'm a urologist, and I stay here in Antipolo to serve the people of Antipolo.
So Doc, dito may mga nagde-day trip din.
Yes.
Okay. So pag nag-day trip sila, they just want to swim, may entrance fee na lang sila.
They have an entrance fee.
Oo.
I think one of the unique or different in our resort is we actually allow our guests to bring their own food. Since sometimes you want to go to an event with your family, syempre gusto mo yung luto ni nanay or luto ng inyong family.
So very family friendly
yeah, family
siya,
friendly
no?
siya.
And so guys, etong Villa Cristina, masarap na yung food sa coffee shop. Meron pa silang mga rooms for check-in, tapos very family friendly. Tapos guys, pwede rin kayo mag-day trip dito, may mga swimming pool dito. So sa mga pumunta na Antipolo at i-appreciate yung view na Antipolo, punta na kayo dito para ma-enjoy natin tong place. Doc JP.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Tuloy din natin.
Until next episode, guys.
Thank you.
We're from Kikai's Elite. Hi, I'm Bawi.
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Hello, I'm Tracy.
Hi, I'm Kiara.
Okay, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cafe Cristina Antipolo.
So, kung mapapansin nyo, 4 lang kaming kikays ngayon. So, our other members are at Ginagat. So, meron po tayong event doon with Enduro Factor. Hi, Pres! We miss you!
We miss you, yes. We try to divide and conquer, lalo yung mga activities. So, representative from our group here, and then representative naman doon sina President Rina sa Dinagat. Yes.
So, some of the highlights for Kikays Elite. So, we're looking forward. We will have a trip to Bali.
Yes. One of the most awaited ride for this year is the Bali.
Abangan niyo pa kami sa mga susunod naming ride with Motorcycle
Republic.
Republic.
Yes.
And see you sa Bali!
See you sa Bali!
Motor Republic, bali ang nangyayari, naging umbrella na kami ng Motor Republic since one of our oging members na si Derek Carmona. So any activity coming from Derek is full support tayo dyan. For Motor Republic, Vespa Club of Motor Republic and Vespa Club Pasig, masasabi ko lang, enjoy our rides, support each other, businesses, friendship, camaraderie, at ride safe always. Yan lang. Thank you.
The hobby is riding. Maki-join ka na rin as OBR ng husband mo para lagi kayo magkasama.
Actually, siguro we have the same hobby. So we enjoy riding. We enjoy seeing different places through motorcycle.
Kasi masaya. Nakakaikot kayo, adventure yung mga pinupuntahan nyo. Nagdi-date pa kayo lagi. Yeah.
This is my first time joining a Motor Republic event. I'm not a rider yet, but Sunday rides have been a tradition for me and my father. So he takes me places and he invites me to the communities that he belongs in, and it's really nice getting to know a side of my dad that I haven't seen before. And in terms of the community, I've seen how people bond, how you could meet someone for the first time and feel entirely at home with them.
Ay, Chico, kamusta ba yung breakfast ride natin
Well,
ngayon?
as usual, sobrang saya, sobrang nag-enjoy lahat. Alam mo, we have more than 51 Vespa riders na nag-join sa atin. I
Nice.
really appreciate yung camaraderie at friendship natin dito.
Okay naman yung venue natin, Cristina Villas Mountain Resort.
Nakita nyo naman, masarap ang pagkain, maganda tanawin, lahat nag-enjoy.
Stay tuned sa Motorcycle Republic.